In this video today, I'm going to explain to you what is being an agent all about on all these live streaming platforms. How can you make more money as an agent on live streaming platform, as well as what are the responsibilities of an agent on live streaming platform. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making more money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So being an agent is simply like a guider on the platform, and that means you are going to have an agency where hosts, that's other streamers, you can invite them so that they can come and be under your agency. You being their agent, you are going to assist them. So, and other responsibilities of an agent is simply you guiding them. If they have questions, you answer their questions. If they find themselves in one or two problems, you are going to assist them, because as an agent, you can also write to the platform if any host under your agency is having any problem. You are going to teach them how the platform works. You are going to teach them maybe if there's how they can make more money. If there's any news, you let them know. If they are playing games, or how they can gamble or do whatsoever on that platform, you are going to help them to understand the platform better. So how do you make more money as an agent on live streaming platform? Is simply by recruiting more hosts under your agency. Meaning, as an agent on any live streaming platform, you are going to have an agency where you'll be recruiting people who are new members, is like hosts. And another thing is, if any host under your agency want to also become an agent, you are going to assist the person to become an agent by referring the person, giving the person link, guiding the person on how he or she can also run their agency smoothly. So to make more money, meaning as hosts are joining your agency, you are going to be getting commission based on the activities of the host under your agency, or based on the activity of other agents that you have referred on that platform. Another way you can also make money as an agent is by referring people, both referring agents or even inviting new hosts by signing up on that platform. So as people sign up on that platform, you make more money. As people join your agency and they do other activities, you make more money. Another way again that you can also make more money on all these live streaming platform, you can also start selling coins. The coins, that is what people use to gift, to play game, to transact, to level up, and all that. So as an agent, you can be able to sell coins, apart from so many other things you can do. So these three ways are the major way generally, because I'm not mentioning any specific platform right now as I'm creating this video. So majorly, these three ways are ways you can make more money as an agent on live streaming platform. So there are different lists of live streaming platforms. I've done this video sharing with you 7 live streaming platforms that you can also sign up to become an agent, sign up to be a host or be a streamer. And I have different links to become an agent. So, but for you to become an agent on most of these live streaming platform, you have to first of all sign up to be an ordinary host. So the moment you sign up, you have your own ID, that's your identification, and you are going to do your first authentication, because you cannot have multiple accounts. So the moment you sign up, you are going to do your first authentication, and after you do your first authentication, you can now sign up to become an agent. But I always advise people not to become an agent immediately, because every platform has their own policy, they have their own guideline. So it's good that you sign up and join an agency, so that you also learn what you need to do, so that by the time you become an agent, it will be easier for you to recruit people under your agency. One of my favorite platform that I use as an agent is PoppoLive. So I have done over 80 videos currently about PoppoLive, So I'm going to link in the description of this video, link to sign up, and link to all the videos I've done about PoppoLive, as well as link to all the videos I've done about becoming an agent in the PoppoLive live streaming app. But aside from that, you can also watch other videos that I've done about live streaming platform. So this question was asked by Nneka. If you have any question about all this live streaming platform or anything that I'm doing, feel free to ask so that I can reply to you with a video, or if I've already done a video on that, I will simply just give you the link to that video, or if it is something that I will just type, I'll type and reply to your question. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.